Hello and welcome to Intelligent Institute of Education. Today, I would like to show you how to find out factorial number using recursive function. Is this clear? So, my advice is that if you don't know the concept of recursive function, so please you watch my previous lecture on a recursive function, which is already I have uploaded a sequence of lecture. Is this clear? And do you know what is the basically the an idea? An idea is that this is continuous learning process. So you cannot learn in one day. You have to give time and you have to practice. Is this clear? So now before starting, once again, I will give you the concept of recursive function. So the recursive function is that a function can call itself again and again. What does mean? It means that whatever we are going to give the name of the function and same function we can give in return. Is clear? So now I will give you the practical concept so you can understand. Is this clear? So now I am going to share with you Jupyter notebook. So in that you can understand it. Is this all right? Now let's see here. Now I'm going to define a function with def and I'm going to write the name of the function factorial. Factorial. So easily you can understand. And n is the argument and here we can pass value of n. And here we'll check some condition. What condition? Like if n will be 0 or n will be 1. So what it will return? In both cases it will return here 1. Do you know why? Because this is the multiplication. So if any multiplication when you are going to multiply will be 0, then entire will be the 0. So better an idea we have here idea, we can return here 1, right? Now else return here n, okay? And you have to multiply and you have to use here the concept of recursive, okay? The name of the function is factorial, okay? And now I'm going to use here factorial number and that will be -1. Is clear? And same function name I'm going to call. Fine. So now in place of n, I'm going to write here 5. It's clear? Execute it. So you got here 120. Is clear? Now I'm going to change here number 4. 24. So how this working? Now for example, I will do one thing. I'm going to take a note. For example, here this n will be like here 4, okay, and here 4 minus 1, okay, multiplication. So here n will be here 4, then multiplication 4 minus 1, so it will be 3, okay. Again so it will execute. So 3 minus 1, it will execute here 2. Again 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, because this is multiplication. So for 1 factorial already given here condition n. So n will be 0 either or n will be 1. So both in that it will be the condition here, it will be 1. So 4 multiply 3, 12. 12 multiply 2, 24. 24 multiply 1, 24. We got here 24. Is clear? Any doubt? Now, so basically this is fixed. If you want to change the number, we have to change it here. So now I have a plan. So better let's use generic program, okay? And user is going to enter the value of n. So that will be good. Easily we can understand. So what I will do now, I'm going to erase first, okay? So delete, clear all, and this finish. Now I am going to copy this and I will make a user input and paste it here. Fine. Now what I will do here, enter the value. Okay, enter the value in int and input and enter the number to find factorial. Okay, enter the number to find the factorial. Fine. Okay, and now this also we can check. What, let's see here, if if someone is going to enter negative value, we don't want that. Is clear? So we can check, and number will be 0 and that will be less than. So we can pass the message, it cannot find factorial. It cannot find factorial for negative number. Is clear? And and we can do here else and else. So what we'll do, same concept, recursive, I'm going to write here. Fine. And this value we have to take any other variable, in that we can store it. So now I'm going to take, for example, result. In that result I will store it, but here this n I'm going to enter num. So change n into num. Clear? And this we can print it. Print here result. Okay, print here result. Execute this. Fine, execute this. So enter the number to find factorial. I am going to enter here 5. See, 120 is clear now. Now, so if you want to change the num, so you can change the value, enter that. Okay, so here I will use here f stream and I will write this in sentence, so that will be good and looks nice and smart. The factorial of any number, so that will be in brace. I'm going to write here num. The factorial of 5 is, and that will be result. Okay, resu result, and this will be a store, and delete this. The factorial of 5 is this. We can run this like 6. So the factorial of 6 is 720. Clear? Once again, check it from beginning. Now I'm going to enter here 0. The factorial of 0 will be 1, because here I have given the condition beginning. N will be 0 or n will be 1. It return here 1. Clear? Again give here 1. So factorial 1 will be 1. Next, like for example, if someone is going to enter the value of in negative, it cannot find, like for example -10. Run. It cannot find for factorial for negative. Again I am going to enter any number, like for example 9. So 9 will be this. Clear? So I will suggest you practice again and again. So definitely, inshallah, you can understand it. So keep practicing, and still will face any problem, please write in the comment section. Inshallah, I will update you. So thank you for watching. Thanks.